Ayan, it might be you para sa aking little sister. Ayan, by Stephen Bishop. Ayan, little sister. Ayan, yung favorite song mo. Pasensya na kung di ko masyadong maano ha. Okay lang yan. Good morning pala, good morning. Good morning pa lang dito sa amin. Kaya, ayan, nabati kita ng good morning. Nagigising lang. Kaya, eto na. Nabasa ko yung post mo sa Facebook eh. Kaya, ayun. Gusto ko naman kumanta. Eto rin. Time, I've been passing time, watching trains go by. All of my life, lying on the sand, watching seabirds fly, wishing there would be someone's waiting home for me. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. All of my life, looking back as lovers go walking past. All of my life, wondering how they met, if one makes a last. If I found a place, would I recognize the face? Something's telling me it might be you. It's telling me it might be you. So many quiet walks to take, so many dreams to wake, and there's so much love to make. I think we're gonna need some time. Maybe all we need is time. And it's telling me it might be you all of my life. Ay naku, little sister. I've been saving love songs and lullabies, and there's so much more no one's ever heard before. Something's telling me it might be you. Yeah, it's telling me it might be you. And I'm feeling you'll just be you all of my life. It's you, it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Maybe it's you, maybe it's you. I've been waiting for all of my life. Ayan, sino ba hinihintay mo, little sister? Ayan, thank you. Thank you. Hanggang dyan na lang, ha? Thank you talaga. Okay, bye-bye. Ingat lagi.